Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. And today, we are in Disney Zombies Roleplay. This is the first ever, I'm pretty sure, efforted Zombies Roleplay. Like, I know people try their best, and I'm not trying to sound rude at all, but this is like the first, like, roleplay I've seen where you could actually go into the school, and, like, there's, like, effort put into it. Like, you can see, like, you can put on morphs, dress up like Addison's and other characters. Yeah, this is like the first, like, I've seen other zombies roleplays, like there's one in production, but it wasn't released the day it was supposed to be. But here's here's the school. I'm stuck. Okay, never mind. But here is, the election day, thing from Zombies 2. Like, picturing Zombies 1 Addison in the election day thing from Zombies 2. Like, I'm pretty sure this is it. Yes. Here's Bucky's. I don't like Bucky's that much. I don't like Bucky that much. He's kind of mean. So here is the pep rally. And here's the prawn room. Her hair looks darker in here. Also, another thing that I said a few minutes ago, like a few seconds ago. Zombies 1 character in a Zombies 2 place. Where is Stacy, Lacey, and Tracy? I did not see their morphs. Hey, where's that place? Oh, that's just the outside. But, here's upstairs. The lunchroom is right here. It's a bit smaller than the, one in the movie. But that's okay. And here's this little hangout area. And you can literally just look in, there. You can literally just look out and see the election room. And also, here is the zombie safe room. This is where Someday took place. And what I realized is that there's one of these lights freaking everywhere. Here. Here. There's one over here. And there's one over here. There's like one freaking everywhere. Whoops. But they didn't do their rooms. But look, I'm looking out there again. They didn't do their houses just because they their houses, we don't know, haven't seen much of their houses. So I don't really know much of, so like you can't really go into their houses, but I will show you the town. There's probably going to be 2 parts because I might run out of recording limit. But here's the football field where Addison pulled off her wig. According to people, that was really hilarious, but I think it was really strong for her to do that. Pretty sure it was right here where she pulled it off. Right here. No, I think it might have been in the middle of the field, like right here. She pulled it off. Yeah, it was literally right here. And this is the view after she pulled it off. Like, I don't get... Kind of made me mad that her wig wasn't shown on the floor, but why? Well, I don't get why that makes me mad, because literally that's so stupid to get mad for. It's just a wig. Like, I can literally search up what Addison's wig, looks like. I can literally search up Addison's wig, but, I know, that's literally such a stupid reason to get mad for. And right here is where Addison's saying to Bucky. Where Bucky and Addison sang. Or I think up here. Or maybe over here. I don't know where it was. Yeah, but this is where the football things took place. There's other people role playing. I don't leave them alone. I'm actually gonna want to see what they're saying. Yeah, but here's the houses. As I said before, you cannot go in them. They're still cool. I'm pretty sure this is Addison's house in the second movie. And for some reason, Addison has a new house because this is her house in the first movie. And then here's other houses. I don't know who these houses belong to, but these are other houses. I think the point is the reason that you can't really go into their houses is because their houses don't show much in the movie at all. Like we only saw like Zed's kitchen, Zed's dining room and Zed's room. And we only saw like Addison's living room and her bedroom. Well, we haven't seen much of Addison's bedroom. But here's Seabrook Power. Mike fell, hold on. Yeah, but you can't see much of Seabrook Power. Well, you didn't see much of Seabrook Power. You did not see it in the inside at all in the first movie. But in the second movie, you saw the inside, but not much. You can't go in at all. You see brick in there. And then, talk about the detail, because it says, Zombie Town welcomes Seabrook. Like at the end of the movie. It doesn't say it from the inside of Zombie Town. Well, here is the humongous, biggest Zombie Town. Look at that. Zola's Crewsome Groceries. The Night of the Wolf. Lazy Fingers Cafe. Toys, magazine, games, and school. Yeah, that's basically. I think I showed you guys everything. Oh wait, did I? No, but here's Zed's house. It is raining out right now. Either raining or snowing. But snowing is impossible. It's spring. It's spring, Mother Nature. Don't make it snow. Oh, I didn't show you this place. But you can't go inside either. Like, I'm pretty sure the only place you can go inside is Seabrook High. I don't know which place, I don't know what place this is. But I literally gave this game a 10 out of 10. It's such a cool game. And finally a zombies game that has effort put into it. I'm not trying to be rude or anything to other people who didn't have like as good as effort as this one, but cause that's rude. I didn't inside the bit. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. But I will show. Hold on, let me show you the items. Here is Zed's football, a Seabrook flag. It covers Addison's face a little bit, and Addison's pom-poms. Whee! But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give a like, smash, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Well, I meant smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button if you like this really a lot. Goodbye.